Hey, hotelier, if you're looking at getting a full view of what your acquisition costs are, and by acquisition costs, I mean your OTA commissions and your marketing expenses that are going into your direct booking channels, this is the tool for you. It's called the Cash Calculator, and it's designed to give you, first off, insight into acquisition costs. And then the second part of it is how to reduce, like how to increase your opportunities for adding more dollars to your bottom line. So let's just jump in. This is the Cash Calculator tool. It is available through the Reclaim Your Revenue Blueprint. It's at melfairmarketing.com. Go grab it. It's free. You can use it. You can use it on a annual basis. I recommend a monthly. I even recommend that you use it as a part of forecasting. So if you're forecasting different market segments, look at how much acquisition cost is coming through these different market segments. That will reveal some great opportunities for revenue growth. So I've got some numbers at the ready here. I'm just going to plug them in and we'll see. You get these from your property management system. These are all of your different market segments. In the second column here, we have revenue contribution by segment. So in the OTA channel, we have 57.4% commission. Now that might be higher than your hotel, that might be less, but regardless, it's about an average between 50 and 60% is the average hotel contribution. And then you'll see in the third column over, customer acquisition cost. Now, it's pretty shocking when you see $913,000 in the acquisition costs for a $4.5 million OTA revenue. So your total acquisition cost is $1.2 million. And it's pretty astonishing when you look at that all together and you see, okay, leisure is a direct booking channel, and we are we are double in the OTA segment. And so where can we make adjustments to reduce our acquisition costs? Now, here's a tool. Here's the second part of the Cash Calculator. And that is if you reduced your OTA revenue, that is if this percent was actually 47% instead of 57, what would it look like? Well, you would be adding $80,000 to your bottom line. Now we'll take it a step further. And if you plug in your average ADR, I know it says annual here, but if you just put in your average ADR for the period you're measuring, you will see there's a calculation there. And that is to reduce your sell to the OTAs by an average of 4 rooms a day. Now, I know that there are seasons in the hotel where you're happy to have that revenue in, but this is more so for demand periods where on the weekends or in peak seasons, you have higher demand. You will add more dollars to your bottom line, of course, if you encourage the direct booking channels, you promote your direct booking channels, and you reduce your OTA inventory there. So going down to 20%, you could add $160,000. What would your property do with $160,000? Or even $240,000 added to the bottom line by reducing your OTAs. So I just want to show you the possibilities that the Cash Calculator reveals. I hope you use these in your business to grow your revenue. Thanks for watching.